Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Help for wilting tomato plants. Now first off, we have to consider, is the plant just lacking in water? That could be the case. Remember, if you're not sure, get a moisture meter or put your finger down into the soil about 1 knuckle deep. If it's dry, your plant needs moisture. The other problem though, if it isn't something so obvious as just water, if it's starting to wilt from the bottom up, it's probably a fungus, a blight. And if that's the case, you're going to need to spray your little plant with something like Dithane M45, which is basically a zinc and manganese, or Maneb, or something else that labels itself for tomatoes and tomato fungal problems. There's a bunch of different blights. There's early blight, there's late blight, and there's also a bunch of different fungal type problems that can kill your little plant. Normally it'll be a bottom wilting of the plant up. If it's wilting from the top down, then I'd suspect the water. But normally with fungal problems, it'll work its way from the very bottom all the way up to the plant. If you do start spraying, spray on a regular basis, follow label directions. It normally is about once every week, 7 days, 10 days, and it probably will take 2 or 3 applications. If the fungus gets too far ahead of you, you may lose the plant. But at least you know what to look for and what to treat with. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.